The internet is a special place.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining us. I'm going to let you know what we have in store for today's episode. As you saw in last episode, we have that twin turbo Nova in just for some fixing stuff before we put it on the dyno. We go through the holly, make sure everything's pinned correctly. I'll get into a little bit more of what's done to that. Then we also have that silver C6 Z06, the 2006, that just got ported and milled heads from Advanced Induction. These are the same heads that we use on all of our heads cam packages. The reason this customer just did heads only is because some people don't want to do a full heads cam package. They want the car to drive like stock, but they want to fix the heads issue. If you're not familiar with the LS7 heads valve guide valve issue, Google is your friend, but half the internet will tell you it's not a problem, the other half will tell you it is. It is a problem. We've seen hundreds of cases of valve drop, bent valves, guide issues. We also did a video about 2 years ago outlining the issues and obviously some of the fixes that you can do. Now, when I say fix, the internet will also tell you that that won't fix it, but I can tell you personally, we have never seen a case of our heads cam package or fixed heads ever having an issue afterwards. So 20, 30, 40, 50,000 miles on them, and we've never seen an issue. So call that a fix, call it a Band-Aid, whatever you want to call it, I don't care. But it is peace of mind, and we have never seen a failure since fixing them. So this customer just wanted to fix the heads, but also we are going to find out how much power it does pick up. We also have a yellow 2008 C6 Z06 that we baseline, find out what that puts down stock before we do our heads cam package in a future episode. So we're going to baseline that first, and then we'll get to everything else. So stay tuned, subscribe, let's get the episode started. The music's killing me.
You're doing a little too much. There you go. Good job.
She gonna be loud.
What's on it? Corsa?
Corsa.
Yeah.
Corsa.
Boom! Yeah, I think there's an intake on it too. You want to pop that bad boy?
I'll be the judge of that, Steve.
Oh, okay. Haltech? $472. Sean, guess. Matt, guess.
What'd you guess?
$472. Okay, solid.
$469.
Okay. The new Eric over here.
Somebody has to guess at least.
I know. That's
Every
true.
time.
How many miles are on it? 40,000-ish?
$41. Man.
Almost 42. $552. What was your guess?
Victorious.
What was your guess?
$469.
Was yours the lowest one? Okay.
And Sean went all high like an idiot.
What an idiot. That's like your first win.
Oh my, you say that every time. And I've won like 30 times.
I honestly think that's your first win. I don't know, man. I can't remember another time you've won. What? Whatever. See, every car is different. That silver one we baselined, 471. That had a Haltech. This had Haltech and Corsa, and it was lower. Every car is different.
Oh, that's great.
Eric's talking to himself.
Together. I am talking to myself.
That's why it's so quiet. Pair of magniflars.
Trying to figure out how these solenoids are wired up. It's got a power wire going into this for some reason. I don't know why.
You got a 4L80. LS7 block. 9-inch rear.
Alright, you done looking under here? Because I'd like to come down.
Sure, pal. Blower back from Kong Performance. Got a port job. I did valve springs last episode. And the cam. So I think cam was the episode before that. Yeah, it was.
Dude, I've only been working on this thing for 3 days.
Well, it's got split into 3 different episodes.
Not gonna work, Eric.
Unreal.
Where am I gonna put the gauge in this thing?
Putting you on the news, pal. Put it behind the radio thing.
Yeah.
What? Oh, it's got probably a Pro Max in there or something.
Oh, kind of cool looking.
Damn. I don't know, man.
I also don't know, man.
Yeah, there's not enough room. Put it, I'll tell you where to put it.
Ooh.
Oh,
listen, it's getting
kinky, yeah. Huh?
Did a pretty nice job with that.
Yeah, that looks good. Well, that's where I was going to say put it, but, yeah.
What's he have, a Pro Max in there?
That's what I said.
Little maximizer.
There's no way in hell you're putting it in there.
Jesus, blind.
Yeah, not in the glove box either.
Nope. You never see it.
Exactly, because you can't really see it, and he's not going to drive this glove box down.
Getting the front bumper off of this. Let's get the cam.
This is one we already did before, right?
Mm-hmm.
What
There's a ported blower on it, exhaust, pulley on the blower.
Okay. That's probably
I
about it.
think that's it.
We're doing headers and stuff too this time?
Doing headers, cam, obviously springs, valve springs.
Yeah.
Yeah, just lower pulley.
Okay.
I'm not sure what that's sitting over there.
Probably 9-1. It's got a 255.
I think that's it.
Okay.
Just some simple stuff for meow.
Sounds good. What?
How much you think it'll pick up? No
tune.
No tune.
Okay. My guess is 30. The only reasoning is because, so obviously milling the heads ups the compression, and that allows you to run less timing, correct? Like, kind of. So if it still has the timing in it from before, and you're bumping up the compression.
Well, the head's reported too.
Yeah, I know. But everything else is stock, it stayed the same. So my guess is without tune 30. What's yours?
That's probably a pretty solid guess.
Okay.
Because we did one before a while ago.
I'm saying to Eric, I don't ever remember doing it.
We did the blue one that had the badass wheels on it. Like the 360 forged wheels on
I
it.
don't remember that.
No?
Before I started?
No. It was like last year.
What?
And I want to say that picked up like 45 all said and done.
Okay, that's about.
I don't know if I did a just a head only dyno pull on that, but 32 is my guess.
Okay.
We'll see.
I thought
Yeah, it's warmed up.
pretty conservative. We're right in the same ballpark.
Let's check it.
So quiet.
That is all open.
Is it really?
Keeps getting a bunch of knocks.
You can't not tune it.
No, I got 7 degrees of knocks.
Wonder if he's got fuel in it too.
I'm wondering because I'm surprised
That's my guess.
that I couldn't make a pull like that. I'm a little surprised.
Wawa 87 or something.
I mean, I doubt that, but I'm a little shocked that I wasn't able to make a pull. We tried both, too, and they both got that much knock. First, well, not really. The first one didn't get that much. First one got 5.5, up to 6 up high, and then that one got. And it's not even like it's because the cats are like hot or anything, because the car was only running for till oil temp got up, so it wouldn't even beat on before I really tried making pulls like that. Hey, here's what it is.
It has 8,000 miles on it.
It's very nice. Like it
very clean.
feels
Oh, yeah,
new.
new. Yeah,
Like
yeah.
even like driving it, like the clutch and like it feels new.
So obviously it's garage kept, not driven very often. My guess is maybe he's got some old gas in it or something.
I don't know. Don't know.
That's a lot of knock.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. The first time I got, that's why I backed out of the pull. And then I'm like, I'll just see if I can make another one, and it like, if up high, it'll just pull the knock out of it, and it'll make a full pull, but it didn't.
Kind of stinks we can't get one of your favorite comparable comparisons.
You got excited about that,
I
didn't you?
did.
Yeah. Well, it's just like when people say like, there's like no way that it made that. I mean, I don't care that it still picked up like 387 horsepower. Your dyno reads high.
You got to do it like the same day.
Like
no tune.
within 4 minutes of each other.
Yeah. That's the internet for you.
The internet is a special place.
Where people with knowledge and no knowledge can come across
And give advice. And people take it.
and they don't know what is what.
They take it.
Yeah. And they run with it.
I mean, I usually get most of my advice from the internet. That's how I learned everything I know,
Yeah.
is the internet.
You give it out for free too.
Yeah, I do. Yep.
Well, you know what the good news is?
You're quitting?
Yeah. Yeah. Besides that,
Great.
it puts down exactly what it's advertised as and it is.
Bet it did. It's probably where it's going to stay too. I don't think it's going to pick up much more. Tune's about where it needs to be.
Still gonna get a knocker now.
No, like very tiny bit at like 4,900, but I'll get rid of that.
You think having stock hats is restricting it?
Yeah, the cats, all that shit. Yeah, cats are just terrible.
Especially as they get hot.
Yeah.
Some valve.
Oh, you're doing valves? Really?
Brian Tooley Racing valves that are in the cart over there.
I don't think we're doing valves.
And over here, valves.
Okay.
Valve springs. Oh my god.
It would be virtually impossible to do valves with the
you know
heads
what I
on.
meant. Springs. Jesus Christ.
It's like someone's got a case of the moon days.
It is Monday.
Doing valves.
Yeah, valves with the head on.
Yeah.
That's what I'm doing. New
That's sick.
new method.
Wow. You should show this method. We would be rich.
Just sucks them right out of there.
Yeah. Old and busted.
They're not really busted, but they're just old.
New hotness. Name that movie.
I know that movie.
I know the movie too.
Everybody else needs to name it.
Yeah. Name it. So does this thing already has flex fuel?
Yep.
So what else is other than that? What do you have to do?
Just these springs. Put the intake back together. Front bumper needs to go on, and some fresh oil. Got fresh plugs.
Cam's done.
Cam's done. Should be ready to flash, and then hit the dyno.
Sounds good. What headers are we doing?
Oh, they're sitting right over here. Stainless works.
Okay, nice. I was gonna say we haven't done a stainless work system in a while.
I think I did the last one.
I believe it. Matthew looks like he's pretty much wrapping up with this guy. What you doing, buddy?
Trying to get the glove box out.
Oh, looks like fun. So the customer wants an ethanol content gauge. Problem is we were going to mount it behind the screen, but he's already got his nitrous controller there. We were going to put it in one of the cigarette lighter spots, but he's got his fuel system prime button there. So yeah, last resort. We don't really want to put it up on the dash. They kind of look tacky in a C7, so just going to put it in the glove box so he can open it up, see what this ethanol content is, kind of shut it, and that's about it, right?